Hello friends, I am Gaurav Rajendra Govane. I am from NIT Polytechnic Nagpur. This is our project. I am from mechanical department last year, second shift. So this is our project which we made with five teammates which are Himanshu Daivale, Himanshu Sonule, Akash Doke, Vijay Sonekar and me Gaurav Govane. Our project guided by the Mr. Professor Rajkumar Vadbute sir. Our project name is Fabrication and Development of Mechanism for Profile Cutting on Circular Object. So this is a cam and follower mechanism. Cam and follower mechanism we use to cut the profile on the object. I will explain you the construction of our mechanism. So guys, I will explain you the construction of our mechanism. This is our main mechanism by which the cutting on profile is generated. So this is the adjacent arm to which the cam and follower and roller follower get the motions. Here we attach the torch by which the cutting on the circular object is generated. Here is the work holding device where we attach the workpiece, and this is the pulley by which the motion is provided to the main mechanism of our machine. And for that we use the AC motor 23 volts and 2400 RPM force. So now we see the working of the mechanism. So boys, here we attach the pipe and this is in front of the torch. So and torch is attached to the here. Here is the attachment given for the torch attachment, and the which profile we have to generate on the pipe. Such type of cam we generated. Cam is the exact replica of the profile generator on the pipe. So that cam is generated and attached here. So and cam is attached cam is attached in front of the roller follower. This is pulley. Pulley will provide the proper motion to the mechanism. And for that we use the motor, and to control the speed of the motor we use the regulator. Through the help of the regulator we can control the speed of the motion and the motion of mechanism given to it. By which the regulator we can control the motion, proper motion we get for the mechanism through the regulator. Now we will see the working. Here the switch to which the electric supply is given to the motor, and motor start running, and then the motion of the motor is transferred to the pulley, and the pulley transfer the motion to the mechanism. So here we attach the pipe and here the cam. When we start the motor, the mechanism start running, and the roller follower start running on the cam. So as the cam, you can see the cam have some shape. So as the roller follower is rotated on the cam, so the torch is move upward and downward as the cam size increases or decreases. So here's the torch, and we can use the gas cutting or plasma cutting, any type of cutting for it, and through which when the torch gas cutting started, the cutting is generated on the pipe, and the exact replica of the cam is generated on the pipe through the gas cutting.
Start.
So now we see the advantage of the machine. As you can see, we use the cam and follower mechanism. That's why the accuracy of the profile cutting is increases, and it is automation. So it work on the zero incident policy. As it is used on mass production, also it is usable for the profile cutting on pipe, and also it's reduce the human effort for the machining, as it has some demerits, limitation. As every machine has some limitation, so our machine also has some limitations. As we see here, we use the straight torch, so we have to always use the straight torch, and some of the industry straight torch not available, so we have to cure this problem. So in future, whenever we get a chance to work on this machine, we will cure this problem. So this cam, like this profile is we are generating on this pipe. So if we have to generate this profile on this pipe, then we have to attach the cam here, just opposite side of the follower. And when we start the motor, this mechanism start running. Through this pulley, motion get to the mechanism, and is the adjustment arm. So when mechanism run, this roller follower will follow the motion of this cam, and this here it is adjusted upward and downward, and the motion and provided to the mechanism which generate the profile on the pipe through the gas cutting. पुष्कर पुष्कर पुष्कर
चिडवून
तुला?
ठेवा ना बे